If you're a follower of the ketogenic diet in search of incredible recipes, or someone who simply wishes to adopt a healthier lifestyle, this digital book was created with you in mind. It's important to emphasize that if you wish to become a follower of the ketogenic diet, it's essential that you consult your doctor to determine if it's suitable for you or not. However, this digital book is for all individuals seeking healthier recipes for their daily lives. How many times have you found yourself looking at your pantry and wondering, what am I going to cook today? It's a common question and often quite challenging, especially when aiming to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. This is where this recipe book comes into play, a true treasure trove of culinary inspiration for those seeking variety, flavor, and well-being. With the Cook Air Fryer Cookbook, you will discover a diverse menu of 116 carefully crafted recipes that cater to the needs of those following the ketogenic diet and those who simply wish to enjoy healthier and more flavorful meals. The best part? All the options in this book are oil-free, making them ideal allies in the quest for weight loss and improved health. Even if you're not a master in the kitchen, don't worry. All the recipes in this book are easy to prepare and come with easy-to-follow instructions. This is an invitation to explore new flavors, fresh ingredients, and discover that it's possible to create incredible dishes without the need for oil. The 116 recipes you will find within these pages have been created with passion and dedication, tested and refined to ensure that each dish achieves the perfect balance of flavor and health. Whether you are planning a family dinner, a quick lunch, or a mid-afternoon snack, there is something here for every moment of your day. These recipes are perfect for those who are following a keto diet or for people who 1. Want to avoid sugar, artificial sweeteners, wheat, gluten, and other grains. 2. Are looking for quick, easy, and tested keto recipes. 3. Want to drastically reduce inflammatory ingredients in their meals. 4. Are trying to manage blood sugar by reducing starches and sugars. 5. Want to eliminate the worry of whether each meal is keto healthy or not. 6. Are lactose intolerant. None of my recipes contain dairy. 7. Are trying to address digestive issues by removing grains, legumes, and other carbohydrates. So, get ready to explore this universe of flavors and well-being. The journey is about to begin, and the possibilities are endless. The Keto Air Fryer Cookbook is your reliable guide on this journey, a companion that will help you embrace the joy of cooking without oil and enjoy meals that truly nourish the body. No need to worry about what to cook anymore because all the recipes are carefully crafted to balance flavor and health. The solution to your problem is just a click away. Get the Keto Air Fryer Cookbook today with a 66% discount. It's available at a special price of only $9.99 and comes with 2 additional digital books and some extra bonuses. It's worth emphasizing that if you intend to follow the ketogenic diet, it's essential to schedule a medical consultation. I hope you enjoyed the tip. See you soon.